your question when you turn around. I'll rest my weary head when I turn around, when I turn around. Whoa. When we live as strangers, we never know the dangers we find. Whoa. Avoiding and evading and shading and fading out of you. You can find answers to all your questions when you turn around. Oh, I've been slipping and sliding and falling and colliding with the ground. Yeah. Now I won't worry, yeah, ain't no need to hurry, I can turn around. Take my hand along that road. We can turn around. I'll find the answer to all the questions when I turn around. When I turn around. The next one is a song that I wrote about a comment that one of my friends, I made to one of my friends in Bedar when we were going to meet. Then I said to her, don't meet me in El Paso, which is a bar in Bedar. And then I thought that would be a lovely title for the song, also probably for a film as well. So this is called Don't Meet Me in El Paso. It's a little bit tongue-in-cheek. One fine day in June, I was traveling up to the mountains. I was looking for the family I know there, and I stopped in a town beside a small mountain. And as I drank, I looked up to the dark eyes gazing down. He said, why don't we go to the bar and I'll buy you a vino? And the look in his eyes promised mystery and fun. So I said okay, and we went to the bar in El Paso. And that's where we fell in love and the story began. Don't meet me in El Paso, where the candlelight glows, and we'll dance in the moonlight and sing where the sweet music flows. If you meet me in El Paso, I swear that we'll never part. So meet me in El Paso, or you'll break my heart. He said my name is Domingo, and I told him my name. And we talked till the magical sun went down. And I said, I think that it's time that I was going. And the music was playing and the candles started to glow. And he said, why don't you stay for a while in my town of El Paso? And the look in his eyes told me that I simply had to stay. And we danced and we sang and we kissed in the silvery moonlight. But when morning came, I had to be going my way. But he said, meet me in El Paso, where the candlelight glows. And we'll dance in the moonlight and sing where the sweet music flows. If you meet me in El Paso, I swear that we'll never part. So meet me in El Paso, or you'll break my heart. When the next evening came, I made my way back to El Paso. I couldn't wait to see him and run my hands through his hair. I waited for Domingo for hours beside that fountain. And when the morning came, I knew he would never appear. So with tears in my eyes, I made my way back down the mountain. And I stopped for a while to admire the beautiful view. Then I spied something there at the bottom of that beautiful mountain. It was Domingo's old card I had beaten and opened it too. So don't meet me in El Paso, where the candlelight played, where I remember the night in his arms when the sweet music played. Don't meet me in El Paso, where he said that we never part. Don't meet me in El Paso, or you'll break my heart. Please don't meet me in El Paso, where the candlelight played. And I remember the night in his arms and the sweet music played. Don't meet me in El Paso, where he said we'd never part.